Reggae interviews. Word sound power.
Reggae interviews here backstage with the queen of reggae music, Auntie Marcia Griffiths. Best of the best, the 19th staging. What a performance.
Really? Well, I enjoyed every moment. I just could not hear myself a little. But once I hit the stage, I am instantly rejuvenated. So I enjoyed every moment, you know.
How important is it for the community to continue having festivals like Best of the Best across the world?
Well, this is one of the main vehicles that takes the music to the four corners of the earth. It transcends, and we have to support it because we need these vehicles to continue to spread the message.
I mean, I think that the actual stage production, everything is 100% on point here today. So we have to salute Best of the Best.
Listen, I've never seen so many people in one place one time. Yeah. Well, this is absolutely awesome.
Well, I think that all the people have come out from all generations to support reggae music, to support Beres Hammond, Marcia Griffiths, Buju Banton, Nadine, Remain, so many people on the lineup, and I think that, you know, we're looking forward to the 20th anniversary as well.
Yes, me too. And I will continue to keep the fire burning as long as God preserves me and my fans continue to support me.
Up next for Marcia Griffiths is a big tour in Europe as well, so the Europe is looking forward to welcoming you as well.
And in England, yeah.
So we're definitely going to look forward to seeing you over in England. Once again, we give thanks for your time today.
Yeah, thank you for having me as well.
Enough blessings.
Yeah.
Reggae interviews. Word sound power.